All right, here is Tide to go. This is, so they say, the #1 instant stain remover. They give a couple of situations where this might be useful: on the road, a coffee break, or out to eat. It helps remove many fresh food and drink stains, so they say. On the back, they give instructions on how to use, how you remove it. You press the tip on to release the desired amount of solution. Rub gently across the stain to remove it. When necessary, add more liquid. And continue rubbing gently. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up from the top right here. Just going to go ahead and open this. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out right here. And here is the tube. I'm just going to go ahead and, I didn't mean for that to happen. So it looks almost as if it's a marker. And you simply just press it and some of the solution comes out. Doesn't smell like anything. And this is supposed to help remove the stains right here. So this is Tide to Go pen right here. This is what it looks like while you're using it. I think the cap can actually stick on the head of it right here, and you're able to use it as you need it. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.